和歌山マリーナシティスターライトイリュージョン2016。音と光と色のコラボレーション、どうぞお楽しみください。
Wakayama Marina City Starlight Illusion 2016. With this year's Starlight Illusion, we have paid particular attention to the color of the fireworks. From the many vibrant colors of spring, summer, autumn, and winter, we've selected one color to represent each season in this fireworks display. Summer, Wakayama Marina City's most brilliant season. When thinking of summer in Wakayama, one cannot forget the blazing red sun, blue skies, the white of clouds and splashing waves, and all the other vivid colors of the season. So, just what colors will light up this evening's sky? You are about to find out as we combine dynamic sound and vivid color in tonight's special event, Wakayama Marina City Starlight Illusion 2016. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Wakayama Marina City proudly presents Starlight Illusion 2016. Summer. I'm a barbecue.